gonna be. How do I refresh? No, what'd you get? Oh, you jammy bastard! Oh, your inventory is not available. Oh, Kazim, see what the one random case. Can you dedicate it to me and I'll get whatever's in it? Oh, the capillary action. Yeah, this next one after the capillary. Dedicate that one to me. No, I'm not taking the sword off and the fuck off. Wait, what are you saying, Pico? Can Pico stereo 5.7? Oh, I like the blueprint. Blueprint's sexy, Pico. Oh, yeah. You wanna know what you get next? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's. I can't get your inventory. It's broken again. Why is it not working? There it is. Oh, that's all right. What, the tsunami? Wait, what'd you get? I don't know. I never seen it. And his inventory is broken now. Did he? What'd you get? Oh my god, you fucking jammy bastard! Oh my days! He got the butterfly knife marble fade. No fucking way did he just do that. Yep. Richard bastard. No. Oh wait, is that Star Trek? You got a Star Trek killer last night. No, he did. He got a Star Trek. Wait, not his knife. I'm talking about the gloves. Tarzan, you fucking. Pico is so raging by the way, guys. Oh my god. I can hear your breath, cousin. You're actually shaking. Oh my god. So I get a dedication, I get the Xander, and then you get the fucking. It probably won't even be on the market right now. Nah, that was the first one, but because it's worth more than 400 quid, it wouldn't be on the market. Right, keep on opening, cousin. Yeah. Oh, you did keep opening. Oxide Blaze, Ripple. You do. It probably won't be on there, Pico. It's probably too expensive to him. Now your inventory is fucking broken. Oh, he's got the Vidar Bison. can't believe you, cousin. Over 400 quid, basically. Cousin, you jammy fucking fucker. Do it. I know. I put it on my Snapchat story as well. What? Come on, I can't load your fucking inventory. Do it. You've got 3 cases left. Have you seen what you got after the XM? No. You got an XM after that, but then after that, I do not know, cousin. Wow, 2 blueprint. Oh, I'm not gonna say it. Are you literally shaking? You've got 4 fucking Scar 20 blueprint field testers. I don't know what it is.